colorful animal sounds.
Hey kids! Today we're going on a colorful adventure.
Let's meet some animals and learn their colors. Are you ready? Let's go! The brown bear goes growl, growl, growl.
Growl, growl,
Brown. The yellow duck goes quack, quack, quack.
quack, quack.
Yellow. The red fox goes yap, yap, yap.
Yap, yap.
Red. The blue whale goes woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Blue. Brown, yellow, red, blue.
Hey, color time. Let's have some fun.
Brown, yellow, red, blue.
Join the sound, everyone.
The green frog goes ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Ribbit, ribbit, green.
The orange tiger goes roar, roar, roar.
Roar, roar.
Orange. The pink flamingo goes honk, honk, honk.
Honk, honk. Pink.
The purple parrot goes squawk, squawk, squawk.
Squawk, squawk.
Purple. Green, orange, pink, purple.
Hey, color time. Let's have some fun.
Green, orange, pink, purple.
Join the sound, everyone.
The white polar bear goes grr, grr, grr.
Grr, grr.
White. The black panther goes purr, purr, purr.
Purr, purr.
Black. The gray wolf goes howl, howl, howl.
Howl, howl, howl.
Gray. The goldfish goes blub, blub, blub.
Blub, blub, blub.
Gold. White, black, gray, gold.
Hey, color time. Let's have some fun.
White, black, gray, gold.
Join the sound, everyone. Hooray, hooray. The colors we know. Let's sing again. Come on, let's go. Oh!
Subscribe.